hello everybody. We are in San Diego at Uptown Auto Spa, coming here to film an AVW tunnel, and apparently it has an Accutrac360 inserted inside the tunnel. So we're going to go ahead and do an exterior car wash.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing alright.
How can I help you today?
I'm trying to see, is this only a full service place?
We do it just the outside as well.
I wanted to do an outside wash, like nothing where you guys don't do anything on the inside. Do I ride through myself on this one?
Yeah, you can stay inside for your whole trip. The basic one is $15.99. If you want the wheels, it's $21.
Okay. I'll go ahead and do the number 3 for 20.
So it'll be $20.99. And here they'll put it back on for you at the end of the wash.
Okay. I'm trying to see here.
There you go. And then you're all set. You can pull forward.
All right, thank you. interesting is that they're doing a tire shine on the wheels manually right now. Yeah, that is one heck of an operation that they got there. I mean, you got a pretty decent looking AVW tunnel, and then I love how the dryers are like a mixture. Like you've got what appears to be International Drying Corporation for the first dryer, and then Protovest for the second, and then of course you've got a Motor City Washworks Dry and Shine, plus an Accutrac touch-free part of the wash. Excellent. I do have I was not mentally prepared for the top wash to be $30. But they definitely make up for it with service. I ended up taking the second lowest one because I didn't really want to spend $30. That's a little bit out of my range. But still, I mean, you got those workers are doing a really good job trying to move cars through and do the hand prep and all that. Of course, they do full service and detailing services as well. So I gotta recommend that place, that's for sure. Well, anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.